Hey everyone, and welcome to Nutrition Genius. If you're fed up with having no energy, constantly tired and sluggish, and you don't know why, we give you the full download on what, why, and how you can fix it. Be sure to stay till the end where we go into the full explanation for tiredness and the solutions you need in your life to cure it. So stay healthy, and let's begin. Well, there are actually a bunch of culprits that could be zapping your energy. Let's tackle the big ones. Number 1. Poor diet. Think of your body like a high-performance car. If you're filling it with junk food, it won't run smoothly. We need a balanced diet rich in whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein for sustained energy. Processed foods often lack essential nutrients and can cause blood sugar spikes that lead to crashes later. Number 2. Lack of exercise. Believe it or not, being inactive can actually make you more tired. Regular physical activity improves circulation, boosts oxygen levels, and helps you sleep better. All key ingredients for feeling energized. Number 3. Caffeine overload. While caffeine can provide a quick boost, overdependence on it can mess with your sleep patterns and ultimately make you feel more exhausted over time. Number 4. Sometimes, the answer lies in what you're not getting enough of. Vitamin deficiencies, especially in iron, B12, and vitamin D, can contribute to fatigue. Let's break it down. Iron carries oxygen to your cells, crucial for energy production. B12 helps convert food into energy and supports healthy nervous system function. Vitamin D plays a role in energy metabolism and can improve sleep quality. Be sure to include some sunlight in your day. If you suspect a deficiency, talk to your doctor about getting tested and a proper supplementation plan. Number 5. The most obvious one you might be forgetting is sleep. Sleep deprivation is a major cause of fatigue. It's crucial to get better sleep. Most adults need 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. A good night's sleep can alleviate many health issues and improve overall well-being. Lack of sleep leaves you feeling groggy, depletes concentration, and drains your energy levels. Alright, now we've identified the culprits, so let's talk solutions. For a tired diet, we're talking about incorporating nutrient-rich foods like whole grains. Think brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread for sustained energy. Fruits and vegetables, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that fuel your body. Lean protein, like chicken, fish, and beans, provide essential amino acids for building and repairing tissues. Healthy fats, like avocados, nuts, and seeds, offer sustained energy and satiety. Exercise might seem counterintuitive when you're tired, but starting with short, low-impact workouts like brisk walking can improve sleep and increase energy levels. And remember, caffeine withdrawal may be rough at first, but sticking with it will regulate your sleep cycle and leave you feeling more energized throughout the day. For potential vitamin deficiencies, consult your doctor, but consider adding foods rich in iron like lean meats and leafy greens, B12 from eggs and dairy, and vitamin D from fatty fish or fortified milk. And finally, a sleep routine is definitely key. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, wind down before bed, and establish a consistent sleep schedule. You'll be amazed at how great you feel when you incorporate all these habits into your lifestyle. That's all for today's video. Remember, Nutrition Genius is all about empowering you to take charge of your health. If you're tired of feeling tired, these tips can be your roadmap to a more energized life. Implementing these changes can make a significant difference in your daily energy levels. Start small and gradually incorporate these habits into your routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips and tricks. See you next time.